What is going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am, and it's going to get better. So today, I'm going to challenge myself and see how fast I can get this motorcycle that's set up for dirt switched over to street. Now, I've got absolutely nothing out other than I've got the tires sitting right here. So, I don't even remember what tools I need, and I got to find my chain, so that's going to be kind of exciting, but let's just go for it. Let's see how long it's going to take me to swap this thing from dirt to street. And yeah. So I know I need to get my tires on. I know I need to change my chain. I know that I need to tension it. I know I need to get the rear light. I know I need to get the rear license plate. So we've got a couple things to do. First things first, let's do the front. The front's the easiest. The back sucks because you got to deal with the chain. Front's really easy. So let's go ahead and rip this front tire off and see how long it takes me to get a new tire put back on it. Okay. It's enough talking. Let's get to it. So let's see what time it is. It is 6:19. Let's see how close we can get this thing from looking like this to something a little more streetable. Distraction 1. Check. Spacers. You need them. Here's a secret weapon. Spark plug. Wrench. Take it, flip it around. Now your wrench will fit inside here, and you can tighten it. One, done. Woo, 24. Now it's back wheel time. First things first, get this untensioned. Don't remember if this goes in further with the smaller tire or not, but we'll just prepare for it to be further in there. I need to take my master link off before I do that. Getting ahead of myself. This master link's got to be one of the harder things to do because this clip, kind of a pain to get off. Channel locks, check done, but then once you get it off, now you got to get this out of here. The easier one to do, screwdriver, pry bar, pry your front side off, pull your O-rings if you got O-ring. Now we're in the hard part. Ooh, this one's nice to me. It actually came out the back. I have both the O-rings. Now let's pull this whole chain out of here. All the way through. Let's go. Now make sure this O-ring stays with this guy. Now I'm not going to put the master on because it's just going to be a pain to get back off. We'll just leave it here with this over on the bench. An eighth? Question mark? Inch. And an eighth is not quite the right size, but we're going to send it because we ain't got time. Again, spacers, dust covers. You're gonna need them. And we need a chain. Doing good on time. Just enough for a master. Make sure it's facing open side towards the back. Everything rolls. That'll stick on now if I catch anything. Match the other side. Make sure they're nice and tight. Make sure this has got tension on it. Tension on both of them. Both of them. Tighten down our nut here. Check the other side. Tension. Tension. Last thing, always make sure to have a number plate, license plate. Stuff and things. Things and stuff. I almost called it. We got a fender to put on. Where we at? 6:46. Time. Need to put some air in it, but it's converted. Well, that's not half bad. I think it was a half hour exactly on the dot. I don't remember if it was 16 or 18 that I started, but half hour to switch this thing over, not bad. Now, that being said, I did forget to lube my chain, the O-rings. 100% forgot to do that. Also, my rear axle, forgot to lube that. So that's probably coming back off. But right now, got a rip, so I'm gonna go. Also can confirm that the electrical buttons that the ad says is waterproof, they're not. They're not. They definitely don't like the water. But I got them to work, I think, 50% of the time. So it's better than none percent of the time. It's good enough for me. Okay, let's go rip this thing. Well, that's going to do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today. It was a little fun, little one off the cuff kind of weird thing that I just wanted to see. I did, and brought you along for the ride. So thank you for joining me. But there you go. Not that hard to switch from dirt to street, especially with that front brake conversion. Oh, so easy. The front wheel was done in like 2 minutes. I digress. But now it's time for me to go ahead and take this thing out on a rip. Peace. Not the right size.